In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to make the image background transparent in Adobe Illustrator, step by step. This is perfect if you want to remove white backgrounds, clean up product photos, or prepare logos and images for professional export as PNG files. I'll walk you through the entire process from opening your image all the way to exporting it with a transparent background. Make sure to watch until the end so you don't miss any small but important details. And if this tutorial helps you out, don't forget to like the video and subscribe to the channel for more easy Illustrator guides just like this. All right, let's jump right in. First, go ahead and launch Adobe Illustrator on your computer. Once Illustrator is open, go to the top left corner and click on File, then click Open. A window will appear, allowing you to browse your computer. Locate the image you want to remove the background from, select it, and click Open. Your image will now appear on the artboard. Next, click directly on the image to make sure it is selected. You should see a bounding box appear around it. Now look at the top control panel and find the Image Trace option. Click on the Image Trace drop-down menu. From the list of presets, choose High Fidelity Photo. This option works especially well for detailed images and photographs because it preserves more color and detail during the tracing process. Once you click High Fidelity Photo, Illustrator will begin processing the image. Depending on the size and complexity of your image, this may take a few seconds. Just wait for it to fully complete. When it's done, you'll notice the image looks slightly different. At this point, the image has been converted into a trace preview, but it's not fully editable yet. To convert it into editable vector paths, go to the top menu and click Expand. This is a very important step. Clicking Expand turns the traced image into individual vector shapes that you can select and modify. Now we're going to remove the background. Go to the toolbar on the left side and select the Direct Selection tool. This is the white arrow icon. With the Direct Selection tool active, click directly on the background area of your image. In many cases, especially with white backgrounds, Illustrator separates the background into its own shape. Once it's selected, simply press the Delete key on your keyboard. If parts of the background remain, continue clicking on those areas with the Direct Selection tool and press Delete again. Sometimes backgrounds are made up of multiple shapes, so take your time and carefully remove each unwanted section. You can zoom in for better precision by pressing Ctrl plus the plus key on Windows or Command plus the plus key on Mac. After deleting all background elements, you should see the gray and white checkerboard pattern behind your image. That pattern indicates transparency in Illustrator. This means your image background is now fully transparent and ready for export. Now let's export your image properly. Go to File in the top menu, then choose Export and click Export As. In the Export window, choose where you want to save your file. Most importantly, change the format to PNG. PNG supports transparency, which is exactly what we need. After selecting PNG, click Export. Another settings window may appear. Make sure the background color option is set to transparent, then click OK. And that's it. You've successfully made your image background transparent in Adobe Illustrator and exported it as a PNG file. This method works great for product images, social media graphics, website assets, and much more. If you found this tutorial helpful, go ahead and hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple and practical Adobe Illustrator tutorials. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.